All right, so now I'm going to show you how I'm going to take this apart. First thing you do is just take the magnetic centerpiece out. Then just unscrew all the pins here. Take that out. There's a screw. Normally I will put it together so you don't lose it. Now after we take all the pins out, the next step is to loosen up the center and take the center part out. So you just need to plug it here and loosen it up. So this here, I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to put this angle here. As you can see both. I have to hold this on the side, lock it with Allen wrench, and just loosen it up. Now, while I'm turning the Allen wrench on the other side, I'm holding this piece here, and actually it's safe. It's better to use this part to turn so that as this comes apart, this still stays on here so that the whole screw does not come to the back, which the whole prize wheel can also drop. So just make sure you push it in the Allen wrench side. Just make sure it stays here while you take this apart. Now that I have the screws apart, I'll just put it into the marker holder which comes with it, and it saves all my things. Now the next step is to remove the marker here. I need to just hold the top part and turn, loosen up, and then just pull them up and you're good. Now the next step here is to remove the panel. Now because the panel is a 48-inch, for me, I'm 5'11" and I'm 5'11", I could do it myself, but it's going to be a little bit difficult. So I'm going to have another person, and I would suggest that you have another person to help you out to take this apart. So Roy, can you please help me, please? Now, yes, one thing you need to be aware of is just to gently hold the button here or the center part here so there's screws that don't come out. We're just going to move it out. Just drop it down. And then I'm going to need to remove all the pieces from the inside. Next, we're going to take off the marker holder. Just need to do is just slide them up. It'll come apart. Then we're going to just unattach, take apart the upper part. Just lift them up. Put it on the side. And then the lower section here, just loosen up here. Loosen up this part. Just loosen enough. Put it out. Side. Now we can take out the stand. Now the next step we're going to do is to disassemble the base. So what I normally do is flip them over, and then I'll take off the wheels first, because as it's tilted, I can see the screw and place it in. It'll be a lot easier to untighten it. Just hold on to it, turn it counterclockwise to loosen up and take out the wheels from the nuts. Now the next thing we're going to do is take out the last piece of the pole of the stand. Again, there's an Allen wrench. Turn it counterclockwise. And there's 4 screws in here. Just unscrew it all, and then we're going to take the piece apart. Now with the very last screw, I'm going to support the pole here so that once the screw is apart, it doesn't just fall down. Now let's take it apart. Now I can just put this up, and the piece is done.